Welcome to Mathy Python. This week we are studying lists and tuples. This is the exercises and puzzles that go along with that lecture. As usual, we are in three tiers. Tier 1 is warm-up, Tier 2 is intermediate, Tier 3 is challenge. In the warm-up tier, we look at a list of perfect squares, creating a list that contains some sort of information, finding the minimum, maximum, average of some numbers. In this case, it stands for temperatures. List indexing, which is similar to string indexing. We look at sorted function versus the sort method. And look at storing RGBs in tuples. In the second tier, we look at the list aliasing gotcha, where you assign two variables to a list for some reason, and then you change one and it changes the other, which you might not expect if you're not aware of it. We look at how to dedupe and sort a list, unpack tuples, access the row and column of a matrix in this case meaning a two-dimensional list, using zip so that you can manipulate two lists simultaneously. Then in the challenge problems, we look at running total, list rotation, how to flatten a nested list at least one level deep, how to find the second largest, not the largest element, but the second largest. And finally, we look at the dot product. I will drop a solutions video later. Yeah, happy programming.